Hello everyone. For today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on Windows 10. So let's begin. So you can see that I have a whole bunch of applications on my desktop. I need to organize my desktop. It's a little clutter. A lot of people will have like 1,000, or all right, that's a little exaggeration, but maybe a couple of like 20 or 10 applications or documents or files on their desktops. So the best way to do this is to create a folder so you can organize all your applications, either your documents, your pictures, or whatnot. So the first method of how to create a folder is by right clicking on your mouse and going to new and then clicking on folder. That's one way, right? The next way, I'm gonna just delete this one. Shift delete will permanently delete this folder and it just goes to the shadow realm. Shift delete. The next method will be, so I'm going to open up this folder right here. And then I want to pick a location and where I want to create a new folder. So let's say the desktop again, right here. This was the desktop right here. So we can do this. We can click home, then create a new folder, right? New folder is created. And then we can name it whatever you want. The third method will be using an actual key combination, which is really cool. It's using CtrlShiftN, right? Depending what you want, where you want it. So let's say I want it on the desktop. Let me just close this. No, I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna select the desktop here, and I'm gonna hold down Control Shift N, and creates another folder, which is the area that I selected, which is the desktop. Then the last method is, the last method is you have to you have to type in CND. We're gonna use the command prompt, right? On the command prompt, we're going to choose the location and where you want the new folder to be. dir, which is directory, is going to show me a list of all the folders on the array, right? As you can see, everything that you see here, it links back. Beautiful. So what we're going to do is we can create a folder here in this location, right? So let's just create a folder. MKDIR. It says make directory, right? And then from this point here, we can after the make directory, you can name it. I'm gonna just give it test 1, right? This will create a folder named test 1. Now click enter. As you can see, test 1 is created. Now let's say you want to change directory, like go to another directory. So let's say I want to go to the yeah, let's go to the download directory. Download, excuse me, right? And then click enter. Right, now you're in the download directory. Now, how do you know that you're in the download directory? You already changed directory, right? But how do I know that I'm in the download directory? So, as you can see, these are the files in the download directory. So let's double check that the files are there. dir, enter. And these are all the files that I have already downloaded, right? To show that in this demonstration of the installation files that I have done. Okay, beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder inside downloads. So we do the same process. MKDIR. Name it whatever you want. Let's say test 2. And enter. And test 2 is created. Beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is, just to wrap everything up, I'm going to organize my files and put them in one place. I already showed you 4 methods in how to create new folders, right? Which is pretty cool. The last one will be more of an advanced tip. You know, if you like using command prompt and stuff like that, which is another level for those users who want to be a little bit more technical and more fluent in how to use the command prompt, which is really cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just organize my all my applications on the desktop. I'm gonna dump everything here in the new folder. I'm just gonna name it apps. No, actually, an application. So based on what happens. Applications. Enter. Beautiful. So this is how you create a new folder. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.